In this video, we will learn how to use the Notes feature. To access this tool, go to the main menu and click Documents. Choose Notes from the menu. A Notes document has opened up in your layout. It has named the document Untitled Notes, and in my case, I have the number 15, which means I have 14 other untitled notes. Now we need to open up a Bible for this training video. So go to the top and click in the command box. Type in NASB 95, and when the menu appears, open New American Standard Bible, click the menu choice to open the Bible. Our Bible has opened to our layout. Let's now open a Bible commentary. Once again, click in the command box. Type Bible space knowledge in the command box. Then a menu will appear with resources. Click the menu choice, open the Bible Knowledge Commentary. The Bible Knowledge Commentary is now opened in our layout. We now need to move this commentary away from our notes, and let's place it underneath the New American Standard Bible. So let me show you how. Left-click the tab for the Bible Knowledge Commentary, and while you're holding the left mouse button down, drag it to the bottom right underneath the New American Standard Bible as seen here. The gray shaded area is where the Bible commentary will be placed. Go ahead and release the mouse as seen here. Let's now change the name of our note file. To do this, we need to click the pencil icon as seen here. Please type Genesis 50:20 and then press enter to change the name of the note document. We are now ready to add a note to our notes document. Therefore, go to the menu and click Add Note as seen here. When a note is added to a note document, you will see a colored square at the left, a box for the title, and a box for content. Let's click the box for the title next to the colored box as seen here. Please type God and Evil for the title of this note, and then what we're going to do next is select text from the Bible Knowledge Commentary and copy and paste that into the content area of our note. Go to Genesis 50 verses 15 through 21 in the Bible Knowledge Commentary and select the phrase under Don't Be Afraid. All that had happened was part of God's plan to bring about the fulfillment of the promised blessing. Next, right-click on the selected text. Choose from the menu Selection. Choose from the menu Copy at the left. With our text copied into the computer's memory, we are ready to paste it into our notes. Therefore, click in the content box. Go ahead and right-click in the content box. Choose Paste from the menu. Your selected text and a bibliographic citation has been pasted into your notes. Now let's copy a Bible passage into our notes. Go back to the Bible Knowledge Commentary and right-click on the passage 45:5. You will notice a menu will appear. At the top right, you'll see Selection. That represents the selected text. Then you'll see Reference Genesis 50:15 through 21. That represents the position where we're at in the Bible Knowledge Commentary. Then thirdly, you will see the Bible option, which actually is the passage we're trying to copy and paste, Genesis 45:5. So go ahead and click on Bible in the menu. Then at the left, click the menu choice, Copy Genesis 45:5. Once again, you'll need to click into the content area of your notes, then right-click in the content area, then choose Paste from the menu that appears. Your Bible reference and its corresponding biblical text is now pasted in your notes. By the way, if you float your mouse over the biblical reference, a pop-up will appear with the biblical text, so you don't necessarily need all that additional text after the reference. Now, there may be times when you want to simply type in a Bible passage. To do so, you need to type in the book of the name with a capital letter, then a space, add the chapter, the colon, and then the verse range. As you can see here, I've typed in capital G Genesis space 45:7 through 9, and then after you type the Bible reference, hit the space bar. Now for PC users, Logos will automatically hyperlink this passage to your Bible. If your Bible cross-reference does not automatically hyperlink, this can happen for two reasons. First, there may be a misspelling in what you typed, or second, you're using a Mac. To force a link to a Bible reference, you need to select the text first as follows. Next, right-click on the selected text. Choose Copy from the menu that appears. Locate and click the chain icon on the menu of the Notes toolbar as seen here. A box with the word Hyperlink will appear. Go ahead and right-click in that box. Choose Paste from the menu. Now make sure the pasted text that is in the hyperlink box is the correct biblical passage. Then press enter. You may wish to remove the selection highlight so that you can see your new hyperlink text. To do so, just click anywhere on the screen. Another type of link that you can add to your notes besides Bible references is a book link. So let's go over to the Bible Knowledge Commentary and click on the book icon or the resource panel. A menu has appeared. Go to the bottom, locate Copy Location As, and click URL. Now you will notice at the left in the contents section of my notes, I have typed in the word book link. You do the same and then select the text. Like we did before for the Bible cross-reference, locate the chain link icon on the notes menu and click it as seen here. When the hyperlink box appears, right-click in the box. Choose from the menu, Paste. Don't forget to click elsewhere to remove the selected text highlight. As soon as the highlight's gone, you will see that book link now is a link back to your Bible Knowledge Commentary, specifically to Genesis 50, 15 through 21, which is the current location when we copied the location as URL. Let's continue to explore our various notes feature. Let's go back to the Bible Knowledge Commentary, locate Genesis 50:22 in the commentary section, and right-click it. A menu has opened, and if you look closely at the bottom, you will see that Logos has provided us an option, Add a Note, specifically to the current note that we have opened in our layout. So let's go ahead and click that now. At the bottom of your note file, a cross-reference to your Genesis 50:22 passage has been added. As you can see, this feature makes it very easy for you to basically select anything in the Logos library and add it to your note instantly with a link back to that particular item. Let's now explore the feature of highlighting and its relationship to notes. Therefore, go to the main menu and click Tools. Click Highlighting from the menu. Next, go to the Bible and select the text from verse 20. As for you, you meant evil against me, but God meant it for good in order to bring about this present result to preserve many people alive. Here is the selected text. At the left, the highlighting toolbar is open. Expand the highlighter pens and click Blue Highlighter. Now it's very important that you look quickly down below at the left corner of Logos. You will see a message appear briefly. It'll say Annotation Added Highlighter Pens. Go ahead and click that now. A note window will open titled Highlighter Pens. Now, I've been using Logos for some time, so I have a lot of examples in my Highlighter Pens notes. What this note file represents is every time I have used the highlighter pen, regardless of the color, that whole palette of highlighter pens, every time I've selected something from it, it is stored here in the Highlighter Pens notes. So I have a link and a portion of the selected text, in many cases the first few words and the last few words, all stored in one place. Let's go ahead and click in the content box underneath the Genesis 50:20 link as seen here. You can now go ahead and type additional information to be associated with this note. In this case, I've just typed the rest of the Bible passage. Let's close this tab by clicking here on the X. Let's explore the editing features of our notes document. Go ahead and left-click just to the left of the Genesis 45, 7 through 9 cross-reference. Locate and click the bulleted list icon as seen here. The text has been indented and the bullet has appeared. Please select the text as seen here, the book link, so we can change the font color. Go ahead and click the colored letter A as seen here. Our font color for the book link has been changed to red. Let's continue to explore some additional options by clicking here on the Notes icon or the Resource Panel menu. In the menu that appears, you will see that there are several options under the Find in this panel. Sort by reference, sort by date added, sort by title, and sort by note color. Let's choose Sort by Reference, the first one in the list. Our note has now been sorted by reference, and as you can see, each note heading that had a Bible reference was placed in biblical order. So we have Genesis chapter 50 first, and then after all the Bible references, all the notes with titles will follow thereafter. Hence, God and Evil is the next note. Let's go back to the Resource Panel for the Notes menu and click it as seen here. Please choose Print Export from the menu. Notice the keyboard shortcut at the right. With the Print Export feature, it is now possible for you to create notes in Logos and then export them to your favorite word processor. Let's go ahead and close this window by clicking on the red X in the top right corner. In the top right corner of your Notes window, you will see that you have 3 views. That is, 3 ways in which you can display your notes: full, compact, and split. Now, the view that's in black or gray, that is the view that you're currently looking at. The other 2, in this case, are colored, compact, and split. And when you float your mouse over one of the other unchosen options, it will turn orange, as it is here on compact. So let's go ahead and click compact and examine that note view. Here is the compact view. Let's view the third and last view, split view, by clicking on that option now. Now in the split view, as we see here, you can see a portion of the headings at the left, but there's nothing at the right. Nothing will appear until you actually select one of the headings at the left. Logos will allow you to resize the split window. Simply move your mouse to the left until the mouse icon changes to a double arrow. Then left click and hold the mouse button down and drag to the right or the left to resize the window as seen here. I'm going to drag it to the right to show more of the heading information. Please go ahead and left click on the heading God and Evil so that we can see at the right the contents of this note in the split view. Let's go ahead and close all our windows and show you some of the search features that you can use with your notes. Therefore, go to the command box and click in it at the top. Please type Close All in the command box, and when the menu appears, Tools, Close All, click the option. Let's go ahead and click the Search button on the main toolbar, which is the magnifying glass. Now that the search window is open, make sure that you've clicked on Basic at the top right, and then let's take a look at the resources that the search engine is currently searching for. In this case, mine is set to search the New American Standard Bible. We need to change that, so go ahead and click whatever your resource is next. Now when the menu appears, locate My Content and click it from the list. Now to the left of My Content, you should have an option that says All Text. If it doesn't, please click that item and choose All Text from the menu. Now let's go ahead and click in the search box next. Now I have typed in Promised Blessing and pressed Enter. Your search results will be listed below. You will notice that you have 2 sections, My Content and My Books. Go ahead and click on My Content to see the search details. When we expand the search results, you will see that I have Genesis 50:20 from the note that we just created, an untitled handout, and Hebrews 11. So we've got a note, a handout, and a sentence diagram. Now when you ran the search result, you may not get any results back because you haven't used the phrase Promised Blessing inside one of the documents that you've created. So this is to show you the powerful search engine of Logos is now available to any document that you create. If you type in a word, a phrase, a cross-reference, Logos can find it in your content.